In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro, and let me show you how to change SIM card pin on this device. So at first you need to reach Settings, then find and select Mobile Data right here, and click on SIM pin. And here you will notice blue tab, which is Change pin. Click to open, and at first you need to provide the current pin. So in my case it's 1234. Click on Done then, and now provide a new one. So we can make it 0852. Done, and then re-enter it just to confirm. And that's it. New pin has been set up and you can smoothly use it. So that will be all. This is how you can change SIM pin in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.